Hey, YouTube, welcome back. Happy Friday, guys. Lunar New Year is coming up in February 16, 2018. So I got this gift from my buddy. So I'm going to do the unbox for you guys to check it out. What's inside this huge, massive gift set. So without further ado, let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. As you can see, it's wrapped with the gold ribbon on the top. And then you got this Chinese lantern. There's some writing on there. Right here. So let's go ahead and then untie the bow. You got this zip tie on there, so it's going to be hard to open. Let me get my knife real quick. So you got this nice clear cellophane. So this gift set come with all kinds of goodies. You got this, wow, that's taped up. What? It's all taped together. This one is the, wow, Godiva, Belgium 1926. This is creme brulee. Dessert truffle. The net weight is 0.7 ounce, 20 gram. And now you got the nutrition facts right here. And you got two of this gunpowder green organic tea. There's two bags right here. And you got the Lindor chocolate right here, milk chocolate, truffle. That's this one right here. And you got this Meiji chocolate rooms, the chocolate mushroom, I guess. Milk and dark combination with crispy cracker, 1.34 ounce. And you got this Creative Snack Company Hot Honey Crunch. I wonder how much this gift set is. So you got this Brown and Haiti cashew, rocka, nuts. Maybe I should turn out the light. And you got this Ghirardelli Intense Dark 72% cacao. CACAO. Twilight Delight 1.02 ounce. You got this one. What does this one say? Dark chocolate, Kanache truffles, 100% pure cocoa butter. Best craftsman in France. Got these cocoa dusted truffles, truffles de France. I guess we're gonna have lots of sweet tooth this year. And this is almond tea cookies. And you got this Stone Fire Authentic Flatbread Nance Crisp Original. And you got this cocoa fleur. Lamberts since 1688. Product of Germany. Wow. It has coconut cookies topped with dark chocolate and sprinkled with coconut. And you got this old-fashioned kettle corn, crispy, crunchy popcorn, salty and sweet, 6.0 ounce. 6 ounce. There's your nutrition facts. And you got this garlic and chive from 57th Street Bakery. This is bagel chips, light salted, rich flavor, and oven baked to perfection. I got this New York style, authentic baked it, panettone, oven baked Italian toast, garlic flavor, no artificial flavor or color. So there's a recipe for chicken salad. And this is the last one, golden walnut flavored cookies, natural and artificial flavor. So it comes with this nice box. Made in China. So you could reuse this box, I guess. Or maybe put some cookies in there. Alright, so this is my unboxing for this Lunar New Year gift set. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet. Please also turn on the bell for notifications. Share this with your friends, family on social media. And yeah, happy new Lunar Year coming up in February 16, 2018. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace out, guys.